Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at proving some trigonometric identities in right-angled triangles. So trigonometric identities, they're just rules that link sine, cos, and or tan. So for example, each of these three is a trigonometric identity. Each of these three can be easily proved using right-angled triangles. These three are very important identities that will keep coming up, but I'm going to leave the proof of the first two as an exercise, and in this video, I'm going to prove the last one here, but these two can be easily proved using right-angled triangles. So just a note, sometimes you'll see something written like sine squared theta. Sine squared theta is just sine theta times by itself. The reason we put the squared here is so we don't get confused with these two things. So for example, sine squared 4 means sine 4 times sine 4. It's not the same as sine of 4 squared, which is sine of 16. So I just wanted to make that notation point. Sine squared theta means sine theta all squared, similarly for cos theta. All right, let's get into proving this identity here. So we can just start with a generic right-angled triangle. I'll call the sides A, B, and C, and this side theta. So of course, in a right-angled triangle, if this is 90 degrees, these two angles must add to 90 degrees. So this angle down here will be 90 minus whatever theta is. So let's go ahead and prove this. So this angle is 90 minus theta. Sine of this angle is opposite over hypotenuse. But then cos of theta, cos of this angle, is adjacent over hypotenuse. So sine of 90 minus theta is A over C. Cos of theta is also A over C. So of course, what that means is sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. We've proved it. That's it. Just a couple of lines there and we're done. So in practice, this means like sine of 20 equals cos of 70, sine of 80 equals cos of 10, and so on. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.